Juicing is one of the easier ways to introduce healthy foods into your lifestyle, and NutriBullet has just made it even easier. This is the quietly powerful NutriBullet Slow Juicer, designed to thoroughly separate the pulp from the juice of even the toughest fruits and vegetables. This sleek and compact juicer uses a high-torque, low-speed motor along with an ultra-strong steel-tipped auger to crush and filter the pulp through a stainless steel mesh, leaving you great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice and even fresh nut milks. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer's extra-wide chute easily adjusts to accommodate for large, whole fruit juicing. Just add your favorite produce and let the NutriBullet Slow Juicer do the rest. And it's as easy to clean as it is to use. You'll love all the great-tasting, nutrient-rich juice you can create. Easy juicing, serious nutrition. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer.
Create fresh and healthful juice and vegetable-based beverages at home with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer. Slow juicing method preserves 95% of the nutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables because it doesn't produce unnecessary heat during extraction. In only 15 minutes, your body will digest and absorb all the necessary nutrients. Powerfully press and crush fruits, vegetables, and nuts for maximum extraction. Quickly yet thoroughly extract the essence of nuts, wheatgrasses, and sprouts. The wide-mouth feed tube can juice an entire apple for delicious homemade apple juice quickly and efficiently. The powerful and quiet motor operates efficiently with maximum results. It's easy to operate. Just place fruits and vegetables into the feed tube by guiding them using the pusher. Larger items can be added to the feed tube by lifting the hopper cap and placing them directly on the plate to juice. In between juicing your fruits, vegetables, and nuts, press the reverse button to clear the masticating auger and avoid clogging. The masticating auger slowly extracts the most juice for nutritious beverages. Simultaneously, the pulp is extracted into a separate pitcher in order to retain nutrients and full flavor during juicing. When making milk from nuts, such as almonds or cashews, be sure to soak overnight. Once they are ready to be juiced, turn the juice spout to the closed position to allow the contents to self-mix prior to dispensing. The mesh-free filter can be easily cleaned, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Be healthful and stay on track with the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer.